Hello guys, I'm the Eyewear Nerd, and today I will be unboxing the Oakley socket 5.5. The code on these, the model number is the OX3218. The color is 03 and size 52. Alright, and now I'm going to be showing you the matte midnight color. So comes this in the Oakley cardboard box. Comes with the standard Oakley black hard case. Inside we also get the lens pattern. This is mainly for your optician, so you can cut your prescription lenses easier. He doesn't have to trace out the lenses. It also comes with the fishing wire and the ribbon, because it is a semi-rimless frame, so this will be for your optician. Inside we get the Oakley cloth case. So this is a semi-rimless, so you know it's meaning semi-rimless, you know there's a wire on the bottom, so it's not full rim, it's semi-rimless. So that's where the fishing wire comes in. The frames are, I don't believe it's titanium, it's just like regular metal. It is not, it's not heavy, but it's not light. It does have a little weight to it, but you know, it's definitely not heavy. Also features the rubber grips for better grip on your head. On these is black. Also features rubber nose pads. So on the inside, it reads socket 5.5. If you wanted the full rim version like this one, it'll be the socket 5.0. On the inside, it reads OX3218-0352 matte midnight 138. Oh, sorry, 136. That's the temple length. So these are for men. It does come in 3 different sizes: the 52, 54, and 56. So like the 52 is like a small. The 54 is like a medium. And the 56 is going to be the large. So with this one, it's the 52 size. So it's going to be 52mm lens width, 18mm bridge width, 138mm temple length. And for the 52 size, the lens height is going to be 29.1mm high. If you bought the 54 size, that'll be 30.4mm, and if you go to the largest size of 56mm, that's 34.6mm lens height. So it'll be good for anyone who needs like bifocals or something and they need like plenty of space. Also in the middle, it does also have the size info. It has the lens width and the bridge width. Also features this nice logo on the sides. It's very subtle, thin frame. It's a good casual frame, but still kind of like going a little bit, you know, on the sporty side. This color is quite nice. It's almost, I mean, it's definitely blue, but it almost seems kind of like a purple, like this metallic purple, if you can see that. I mean, these are available in a wide range of colors. Very nice looking frames. Alright, I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time, and please hit that subscribe button. Have a good day, guys.